I told you that you could install this exquisite master walk-in closet all on your own? And it's not rocket science. Hi, I'm Alicia. Let me explain. With 4 generations of experience, Closets to Go has perfected our custom DIY closet system with nearly 500,000 successful DIY installations since 1985. If you've ever had that daunting task of putting together a big box store piece of furniture, you'll be pleasantly surprised with how little time our DIY closet system takes in comparison. There truly is a night and day difference. From start to finish, we go above and beyond and take the extra steps in our processes to reduce the steps for you. To start, and to reduce any hesitation from buying online, we provide our clients with the Closets to Go Perfect Fit Guarantee, which covers any mismeasurement. It's very rare, but if a mismeasurement does occur, we'll cover that part for free. We just ask that you cover the shipping cost. After manufacturing, we take the time to install all assembly fittings, like drawer slides, hinge plates, and hanging brackets. All of those little intricate details that would have otherwise consumed a lot of time on your end. We also pre-label all panels according to the room layout and package everything in an organized manner. Last but certainly not least, we package everything neatly and securely to reduce any damage during shipping. Even our third-party carriers often comment of how impressed they are with our packaging. Bottom line is, we strive to create the best user experience possible, and we'll do what it takes to do so. We want you to be beyond satisfied with your custom DIY closet system and enjoy it for years to come. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, or comment below, and be sure to sign up for our weekly videos directly to your inbox. We'll see you soon.